And now to oil prices, which have risen for 3 straight days, gaining 9% during that time frame. Part of the reason, a drop in rig count that suggests the supply glut may ease. Another reason, OPEC said demand for its crude will rise this year as the U.S. produces less and consumes more. West Texas Intermediate crude rose more than $1, settling at $52.86, and Brent also rose. Jackie DeAngelis takes a look at the recent action in the oil patch and whether prices are finally finding a floor.
Oil prices are on the rise, and so are prices at the pump. The Lundberg survey saying the national average for a gallon of regular gas now $2.20, a 13-cent hike in the last 2 weeks alone. What's behind the rise in oil prices and what's moving gasoline? And are they the same? Well, oil prices, up about 10% in the last month, seem to be stabilizing over $50. Adding support, OPEC raising its 2015 outlook for demand. The rise in oil prices are certainly a contributing factor to the rise in gas prices, but other factors like seasonal maintenance and a switch over to a more expensive blend of gasoline for the summer driving season is what's making it more expensive for consumers to hit the road.
We're seeing a bounce in crude oil for two things. One is rig counts. They shut down some. They had to. And then from there, we have OPEC coming out with greater demand for 2015. These two put support in the marketplace. With crude oil rallying, it's going to have an impact on unleaded gas, support for that, and it brings the prices up. But we're also going to be moving into the driving season, switching over the refineries, and that's all putting upward pressure on unleaded gas too. So unfortunately, I think we're going to see some higher prices at the pumps.
Analysts are now forecasting another 10-cent hike in fuel prices in the coming weeks, saying that we could see prices back to $2.75 by the summer.
I think we could see another 20 to maybe 25-cent increase in unleaded gas, and that would correlate to roughly a $5 to $7.50 move in crude oil.
Still, there are those out there saying the bounce in oil could be a head fake and we could make another dramatic move lower. Citi saying today oil could find a bottom at $20. If that happens, fuel prices might find some footing around $2, but those in that camp, few and far in between. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Jackie DeAngelis.